Hey y'all, thank you for clicking on this video. By the title, you can tell that it is going to be a cleaning video. This video happens to be in collaboration with the lovely Simply Being Sabrina. Hey girl, she has decided to put on a real life mom life cleaning challenge. So yes, this video is going to be all about cleaning. It's just going to be a typical speed cleaning video. Just showing you my basic weekend cleanup routine. It's nothing in depth. It's not like deep cleaning or anything. It's just showing you what I do on the weekend to get the house in order. So yes, if you would like to see how I do that, stay tuned. This is me and my children like to call it the creator studio. So this stuff is for my Poshmark. I don't know, I'm just now starting off on Poshmark and trying to get a good flow of that, and magazines, crayons, because my son sits down here and does his homework. That's like, I don't even know what that is. And toys. Sometimes they leave their toys down here. And I just made that ring light from Simply Being Sabrina. So yeah, that's what that is. And then this is my desk area. This is where I sit and do my homework and anything else that I'm working on my computer. So that is that. And here is the bathroom. Here is my room. I've already got my sheets in the sheets in the washer. So that's why the bed isn't made up. This is the boys' room. Not really sure what they were saying, but this is their room that they will be cleaning. Alright, so with that being said, we'll go ahead and get into this cleaning video. Alright guys, so that is what I do to get my house in order for the weekend. So a little quick weekend cleanup. Again, I would like to thank the lovely Simply Being Sabrina for putting on this Royal Life Mom Life Cleaning Challenge. I will go ahead and put her link down below to her YouTube channel so you guys can check her out as well. And if you did like this video, go ahead and give us a like and a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and tap that bell button and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.